project initiator is the individual or group responsible for initiating a project. The project initiator plays a crucial role in the success of a project, as it is their responsibility to identify the need for the project, define its scope and objectives, and secure the necessary resources and support to move forward. The project initiator is often the driving force behind a project and is responsible for ensuring that it stays on track and meets its goals. He may work with a team of project managers and subject matter experts to develop a project plan, establish a timeline, and allocate resources. He may also be responsible for communicating with stakeholders and keeping them informed of the project's progress. The project initiator must have strong leadership skills and be able to effectively communicate with team members and stakeholders. He must also be able to handle challenges and setbacks and be able to adapt to changing circumstances. In short, the project initiator plays a crucial role in the success of a project. He is responsible for identifying the needs for the project, defining its scope and objectives, and securing the necessary resources and support to move forward. He may have strong leadership skills and be able to effectively communicate with team members and stakeholders in order to ensure that the project stays on track and meets its goals or objectives. A project sponsor is an individual or group that provides resources, support, and authority to a project. The project sponsor is responsible for ensuring that the project aligns with the overall goals and objectives of the organization and that it has necessary support to be successful. Project sponsor plays a key role in the success of a project. He provides the necessary resources, such as funding and personnel, and have the authority to make decisions and allocate resources. He also serves as a point of contact for the project team and is responsible for communicating with the other stakeholders and keeping them informed of the project's progress. In order to be effective, the project sponsor must have a clear understanding of the project's goals and objectives and be able to communicate these to the project team and other stakeholders. He must also be able to identify and manage risks and be able to handle challenges and setbacks as they arise. The project sponsor is often a senior leader in the organization and is typically responsible for aligning the project with the overall goals and objectives of the organization. He may choose to work with the project team to develop a project plan, establish a timeline, and allocate resources. In some cases, these roles may be given to the senior management in the organization. The responsibilities may be shared by 2 or more executives. In some situations, the sponsor may not be from your organization. He may be someone outside of your organization. For example, think about the procurements. If you are the seller, your sponsor will be the customer in this particular case. The customer will be your boss for the situation. The project sponsor is the financer of the project within or outside the organization. This person or an entity finances the project. Since the sponsor has the money, sponsor has the right to tell the team what to do and how to do it. These are the high-level requirements. The sponsor may determine the key milestones, may also determine the deadline or the project, takes part in the development works or the business case. After the project charter is created, the sponsor signs it. So the project charter is issued by the project sponsor. See you in the next lecture.